Today I'm going to be going over all my pickups from the month of December. That includes a lot of sneakers and a lot of clothing. So let's get into it. Alright, so as I move this stuff down. Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's B Sneak, and today I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be running through all my pickups from the month of December during the holiday season, Christmas season. And today I'm going to be going through all the sneakers and the clothing that I picked up. I'm going to do it pretty quick. I'm not going to take too long because I don't want to waste you guys' time. But before we get into this video, I got to announce two very important things super quick. First thing is this box right here. This is the Revenge Storm that I am giving away, and all you got to do to enter the video, you guys got to go enter super quick because you don't have much longer. I'm going to close the giveaway very soon. You got to go to this video right here. Make sure to watch that video until the end to find out how you can enter to win these right here, these green Revenge Storms. Go to that video, follow the steps, because this is a special giveaway just for that video with Soul Stage Irvine. So make sure you go check out that video to find out how you can win these. And then the other giveaway that I am currently running is for this Supreme box logo crew neck. This is for 600,000 subscribers. We're so close. All you guys got to do to win this box logo is subscribe to the channel. Make sure you do it. Click it if you haven't already. If you're new or if you've been here for a while and you're still not subscribed, I'd really appreciate it, and it means a lot for every single person that subscribes. And then the only other second step is to follow me on Instagram. It'll be on the screen, @Linder. Make sure you guys go check out my feed. I try to post a lot of cool outfit posts with all this stuff that you guys are about to see. With all that being said, let's get into the video. Just wanted to announce those two giveaways super quick. Well, not announce, but remind you guys. So hopefully you guys already entered those and did everything you had to do. So with all that being said, let's get started in this video, and let's start off with this hoodie right here that I have. This is a gray Murakami Complex Con hoodie. This right here, this thing is pretty sick. I got this at Soul Stage Irvine, and it says Boston. I honestly don't know why it says Boston, but it's cool. And I actually do have two Murakami pillows as well, so it sort of matches. Okay guys, so that was the first pickup. We're gonna get into some really good stuff right now. A lot of this varies from many different companies such as Off-White, Fear God, Yeezys, Supreme, and a nice little stash of vintage stuff too, which I'm really excited to show you guys. I guess just to get it out of the way, we're gonna start off with some pretty fire stuff. I got this box logo in a large. This thing is pretty clean. I really actually do like the color in person. I felt like the original mustard one was too much of like a Laker gold, and I like how this is darker yellow, almost like headed towards green. This next one, I did actually buy this off of my boy Miles. If you guys did watch this video, he actually purchased this in the video, but he didn't really want it. He didn't really think he was gonna have much use for it because he lives in Florida. So I picked it up off of him, and I'm trying to get like all of the new ones. I have the black, gray, this, the yellow one, and the blue one I'm giving away, but I'm about to buy another one for myself because it's really dope. But this red is really nice on this crew neck. It's almost like a wine, like the original wine. So if you guys have any of the other colors that I don't have in a large, you can hit up my Instagram right there. So to take a quick break from clothing, we're gonna get into some of the shoes. This right here is probably the most expensive pickup out of all this stuff, so I'm gonna save it, and you guys should wait till the end because these are over $2,000. You should wait till the end. I'm probably gonna show those at the end, but I was really happy that I was able to get these just because I was looking forward to seeing them in person. And these are the Nike Air Skylon 2s with the collab with Fear God. And I actually did get both colors of these, but we have the black pair right here. And I did get a size 11 in these. I'm usually a 10, 10.5, so they do run pretty snug, and I just think these are really clean. They're gonna look great with sweatpants, like baggy sweatpants. That's what they look best with. So I got that black pair. This is the white colorway in the Nike Air Skylon 2 Fear God collab. The next two pickups I do have right here, these are both Off-White Air Force Ones. I did just pick up both of these as well in the past 2 weeks, and we have this first colorway right here, this Volt colorway. These are pretty clean in my opinion. I really like the Volt in person. It looks exactly like a highlighter, but it's really clean. And I feel like, again, with an all black outfit or a black pair of jeans and like a black or green hoodie or something, these are gonna look fire. This pair right here is dead stock. I've yet to wear these, but I will be wearing them very soon. By the way, I really like how they came with a blue tag. I think that's pretty cool. Then the other colorway that I have is, of course, the black pair, because that is the only other colorway. but we got these right here. And then all these are actually pretty dope in my opinion. I have a bunch of really cool vintage shirts that I got mostly from Round 2 Vintage on Melrose. Shout out to Sean, everybody at Round 2. A couple of these shirts I did actually find through a pile of my dad's old shirts, and he let me go through a pile of his like old vintage shirts, I guess. And I actually picked out a couple of them, which are probably gonna be in here, like 2 or 3 of them. Not too many, nothing too crazy, but a couple of them are pretty fire. So I think you guys will like them as well. But this first one, I got a vintage Bart t-shirt at Round 2. I'm gonna try to run through these fast. I got this Kiss vintage shirt right here. This is pretty clean. This is from my dad's collection, and this is actually a vintage Range Rover shirt. Check that out right there. And then check out the back, the really nice graphic on the back. How sick is that? I really like this because I do actually have a Range Rover SVR, and this shirt's from a while ago, so I think that's super cool, and I'm probably gonna take a really cool picture sooner or later. I got a Rolling Stones t-shirt right here, like a tour shirt. Now, a lot of these band tees I did just get because they look really cool. And to be completely honest with you guys, I don't listen to most of these bands, but I know that a lot of these bands are pretty popular and they look great with outfits just because some of the colors on these t-shirts are really, really cool, and they just make outfits look really good. So that's why I got so many of these. Here we have a Metallica t-shirt right here. This one's actually a little small for me, as you can tell. I may sell it, but then it has some stuff on the back. This is another shirt for my pops, and this is actually an LA County Sheriff's shirt. I think this is pretty cool, so shout out to all the sheriffs and everybody in law enforcement. I think this is pretty cool. The remaining right here are actually all racing tees, and I actually really like these just because they're so loud. There's so many colors going on the shirts. These are all pretty affordable. They're all like 50, 60 bucks. But this first one right here is the first NASCAR racing vintage shirt I got. It's like really unique, that's why I like it. But I know this one is another NASCAR racing t-shirt with a famous, I'm assuming famous, racer driver. Sorry with my lack of knowledge on what's on these shirts. I honestly don't really know. I just thought these were really, really cool pieces. And then this is actually a Hot Wheels one. I believe this is still from NASCAR because there was like a car that was like inspired off of a Hot Wheel. I honestly don't know, I'm sorry. But this is really clean, and the colors are just really sick. And this with a sick pair of jeans and like some cool J's or something, it's gonna look really cool. All right, so now to finish this off, we have a couple pairs of shoes right here. First being these. I actually got this pair for retail. It's surprising because these are actually going for around 500 bucks right now. I've wore these a couple times matching with my beautiful girlfriend. I got her a pair of these too. I'm sort of a fan of the 700s, but I thought that they killed it on the static colorway. And why not get both of the static Yeezys when they drop? I've actually wore these like a good amount recently already. And these right here are the static 350 V2s. I think these are one of the best V2s they've ever released just because they're so sick. The detail and like just the design. And do I think the reflective ones are cool, like the ones that totally shine up? I think they actually look sort of cheap compared to these. I like how on these the laces just light up when you take a picture with them with 3M. But we have 2 more shoes right here. I'm actually super excited about both of these, but right here I have Jordan box. This is a Jordan 3 box, and I'm very lucky to say that Jordan brand is sending me shoes now, and they just sent me these Mocha 3s. So my first thoughts and opinions when receiving these, the Rookie of the Year 1s, and then a pair of Spider-Man 1s from Jordan brand, I was like, what the fuck? How are they sending stuff to me? Like, I never thought that I would be at a point in my YouTube career of what I'm doing right now. I never thought that there would be a point where I would be receiving shoes from Jordan. So that is really, really sick. And if anybody from Jordan brand is watching this, thank you. I really, really appreciate it. But we have one last pickup right here. This is by far the most expensive pickup of this month, probably like top 10 for the year. I never did a top 10 video. I felt like a lot of people did it, like everybody did it. And I did want to do this video because I did actually get inspiration from John Carlo Blazendary. If you guys watch him, he's the homie. He actually just did a crazy haul with all the stuff that he picked up in the last couple months or last month. But I had all this stuff laying in my room that I didn't show you guys yet on the vlog or in a video. So I thought it would be interesting to show you guys all of this in one video. So this last pickup right here, it is a white pair of shoes, so I just turned the brightness down a little bit. We got this box right here. It has a little flap. I don't know if you guys can see, but we got the box right there. I don't know if you guys can read that or tell what it is, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to show you guys right now. So I've wanted these for a while. I've found pairs, but not for the right price. These go for a lot. They're becoming more and more rare every day just because there aren't that many pairs and they're never releasing again. And these were actually a Europe exclusive release, so they only released overseas in Europe, nowhere else. Right here, I do have the off-white Air Jordan 1s and the all-white Europe exclusive colorway. Look at these. All right, so let me just get this box out of the way. These are so crazy in person. Wow. This is actually a brand new pair, and I gotta give a huge shout out to the boy, Soul TLA. His Instagram will be on the screen. I picked him up from the boy Kahan, and he's a pretty well-known reseller in LA for sneakers and streetwear and anything you guys need from all the recent releases and future releases. But he is the person that I bought this pair off of. I totally trusted him with the purchase, and I'm very, very happy that I pulled the trigger on these, just because I've been searching the market for these for so long, and I finally picked them up. These are so sick. I really, really love the purple laces that these come with. They come with 1 pair of laces, 2 pair of laces, 3, 4, 5, because the white ones that are on there, they come with all these different laces. Now, one thing I do want to quickly show you guys, and let me know in the comments down below if you think this would be cool or not. I did actually take this pair of off-white laces from the blazers that I have, the orange blazers, and how would this blue look on here? I don't know if it would look cool or not, but I want to put purple on one side for sure, and then maybe orange on the other side. I feel like it's very, very different than, well, I mean, it's obviously very different because I haven't seen anybody else do it, but I don't think these colors would look that good in these shoes. I think the black is meant for the Chicagos, and then light blue is like more for UNCs. This is an all-white shoe, so I sort of do want to put like really bold colors in it, you know? So I'm really, really happy that I picked these up. Huge shout out to Soul TLA for this smooth transaction. You guys are gonna have to wait and stay tuned for the crazy photos that I'm gonna post with these shoes right here. My Instagram is Blake Linder if you guys want to go follow it and check out all the outfits that I post with all the clothing and shoes that I'm showing you guys right now. I'd really appreciate it if you went and showed some love. But these are really fire. I'm very, very happy that I picked these up. I'm super excited to wear these. I have all 3 of the colorways now. With all that being said, I think it's time to close out this video. If you guys watched all the way till this point in the video, comment EU down below, just EU for Europe exclusive in the comments down below. I want to see how many of you guys actually watched all the way till this video, and I'm going to try to reply to some of you guys that comment that down below. Also, please make sure to smash the like button. It really means a lot when you guys blow up the likes on videos. And also, Happy New Year's to you guys. I hope you guys have a great year and you guys kill it in whatever you're going to do, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out of here. Peace.